Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate customer retention strategies with ChurnZero, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To automate customer retention strategies with ChurnZero, start by logging into your ChurnZero account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Reports tab to gather insights on customer behavior. Analyze the data to identify segments of customers at risk of churning. Next, go to the Engagement section in the sidebar. Here, you can create automated messages tailored to each customer segment. Select the Automations option to set up your retention workflows. Begin by creating a new workflow specifically for high-risk customers. Include triggers based on customer interactions, such as inactivity or unsatisfied feedback. Design personalized messages that resonate with these customers. Consider integrating emails or in-app notifications. Once your messages are crafted, set up the timing of each engagement. Make sure to review each step of the workflow to ensure everything flows smoothly. After confirming your settings, activate the workflow to start the automation. Monitor the effectiveness of your strategies through the Analytics tab. Adjust your workflows based on performance data to optimize retention. Regularly revisit your customer segments and engagement strategies for continued improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.